Day 18 from 0 to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge. Yesterday we talked about how you can add an image as background of a section, but today we'll be talking about how to add an image as background overlay for a section. So there is difference between the main background and the background overlay. So without wasting much time, let's get on to business. So the first thing you need to do once you log into WordPress into your Elementor, you need to find the section where you want to use image as a background overlay. All right, so for example, if I'm to use a background overlay on this section, so all I have to do is come to this section, then click on the menu option. Now come to the style and then come to background overlay. So there are various things that you can use for uh, background overlay. You can use color, you can use gradient color, that means multiple colors, and you can also use image. So let's say we are using image for the purpose of this tutorial. So if you don't have the image you want to use stored on your website already, on your WordPress already, you can upload it from here. But if you have it stored already, just come to media library. Just the same process with the main background. So select the image, look for the image you want to use, then select it. So now I'll be using this image. And as you can see now, there is image as an overlay for the background of this section. All right, there is image overlay for the background of this section. What you need to take note of that, what you need to take note of is that this image is not the main background of this section. It's just an overlay on the background of the section. The main background of this section is a color, as you can see. So the overlay is just an overlay. The image is just an overlay. All right. So you can make the changes like we talked about yesterday. The repeats, we can put it to no repeats, put it to center, and then put it to fix. Then put the default size to cover, and we are good to go. So as you can see now, the image is perfectly seated as the overlay of the section. So adding an image as an overlay of a section is as simple as that. So this will be the end of the tutorial. If you have any question or any topic you want me to talk about, please drop it at the comment section. And if you find the video interesting, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.